Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code with Siddhi. Please guys do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So our today's topic is types of class loaders. It is a very important topic interview point of view. So interviewer may ask that how many types of class loaders are present and which class loader is responsible for loading which type of classes. So the answer to these questions are I'm going to give you now. And there so let's start with the types of class loaders. There are three types of class loaders present in any class loader subsystem, and those are Bootstrap ClassLoader, extension class loader, and the application or system class loader. So we'll see the first type of class loader, which is a Bootstrap class loader. This class loader is responsible for loading core Java API classes. The best example of core Java API classes are like string class, integer class, boolean class. All these classes comes under core Java API classes. These core Java API classes are present in a Bootstrap classpath location. I have mentioned this Bootstrap classpath location here. As you can see, it is this classpath location is jdk/jre/lib, which is a library /rt.jar directory. All the classes present in this classpath location are loaded by Bootstrap ClassLoader. This Bootstrap ClassLoader is by default available with JVM. This Bootstrap ClassLoader is implemented in a native languages like C and C++. So because of that only, whenever we try to get a class loader of any class, of any core Java API class, we'll get a null value, because as it is implemented in another languages like C and C++, so Java cannot return the object of classes which are implemented in another languages like C and C++. So if you try to get a class loader of a string.class file, it will return null. The reason is this string.class file is present in Bootstrap classpath location, and that Bootstrap class loader is implemented in C and C++, which is not a Java language, and because of that only it will return the null value. So without further delay, it's all about the Bootstrap class loader. Without further delay, we will continue with the second class loader, which is a extension class loader. This extension, the second type of class loader, is an extension class loader. It is a child of Bootstrap class loader. Hope you guys are able to see here. This extension class loader is child of this Bootstrap class loader. Okay. In the hierarchy, Bootstrap class loader is the upper level, and the extension class loader is a child of that Bootstrap class loader. This extension class loader is responsible for loading classes from extension class path. That extension class path is jdk/jre/library/lib/ext folder. All the classes present under this ext folder will comes under extension class path location. And the task of extension class loader is that it will load all the classes present inside this extension class path location. This extension class loader is implemented in a Java language. Unlike Bootstrap class loader, it is implemented in a Java language. Okay, whenever you try to get a class loader of any class comes under this extension class path location, it will return this line: sun.misc.launcher $, ext class loader at some address. Okay, so let's proceed to the next type of class loader, which is the last type of class loader. The third type of class loader is application or system class loader. It is again a child of extension class loader. Okay, Bootstrap class loader. Extension class loader is a child of a Bootstrap class loader. In the same way, application class loader is a child of a extension class loader. So this application class loader is responsible for loading classes from application class path. This application class path is, you can mention in your system by using the class path variable. Okay, this application class loader is implemented in Java. So there are two types of class loader which are implemented in Java. Those are extension class loader and the application class loader. The first type of class loader, which is a Bootstrap class loader, it is implemented in another languages like C and C++. So keep in mind that guys, whenever we try to get a class loader of any classes present in application class path, at that time the corresponding .class file name will get, which is sun.mic.launcher $app class loader @ What this line means is that the system returned app class loader object which is present at this address, and this $sign indicates that this app class loader file, this app class loader, this class is a inner class of this launcher class. Okay, so this is all about theory of types of class loaders and what are the tasks of each class loader and what are the classes they load, which type of classes they load. So let's see the practical implementation of these concepts. As you can see here, I created a student class and I have created a test class here. So inside a test class, I tried to print this string.class.getClassLoader. So, and I tried to get student.class.getClassLoader, test.class.getClassLoader. So this getClassLoader this getClassLoader method will return the class loader. Okay, stop it, guys. Yeah. Okay. As you guys can see here, this getClassLoader will return a class loader for the class. Some implementations may use null to represent the Bootstrap class loader. Okay, if you are mentioning the getClassLoader on a Bootstrap class, then it will return null here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me run this code. save and launch. Now you will see that this string.class.getClassLoader, this getClassLoader will return null value. Okay, as I mentioned guys, it will return null because we are calling on the string.class file, this string.class file, which is a bootstrap class, so that bootstrap this class is present under bootstrap class path, and bootstrap ClassLoader will get returned by this getClassLoader method, but that ClassLoader will return null because bootstrap ClassLoader is not a Java object. It is implemented in native languages like C and C++. Because of that it returns null. But in case of extension ClassLoader and the application ClassLoader, I tried to print test.class.getClassLoader and student.class.getClassLoader, teacher.class.getClassLoader. These are the classes I have created in this same project. I created here a teacher class, which is an empty class. I just created this for showing you guys how this ClassLoader will behave, what ClassLoader will be returned on this teacher.class and this test.class, these classes. So it will return sun.mic launcher app ClassLoader. So these lines will return application ClassLoader, which is a child of a bootstrap extension ClassLoader. So guys, this is all about today's session. Hope you guys liked this session. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please guys do like and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family, hit the red bell icon red button present on my channel. Bye bye guys, bye.